Imagine waking up in the middle of a peaceful forest where the only sound you hear is the soft breeze moving through the trees and gentle sunlight slowly fills your space through wide panoramic windows. You stretch comfortably, make yourself a fresh cup of coffee, and step outside into nature without ever leaving your home behind. This is the kind of freedom many people dream about, and today we are stepping into a motorhome that brings that dream closer to reality. Welcome back to Autocar Zone, and today we are exploring the Rimor Seal 5, a motorhome that blends comfort, practicality, and the joy of travel into one complete lifestyle experience.
From the very first look, the Rimor Seal 5 gives you a feeling of simplicity mixed with modern European styling. It is not overly aggressive or flashy, but it has a clean and confident presence on the road. The body design feels smooth and aerodynamic, which not only improves its visual appeal, but also helps with fuel efficiency during long journeys. The front integrates seamlessly with the driving cabin, creating a unified and premium look that feels well put together. As you move around the motorhome, you begin to notice how every detail has been designed with purpose.
The exterior is not just about looks, it is about usability. There are multiple storage compartments placed strategically along the sides, giving you enough room to carry everything you need for your adventures. Whether it's camping gear, luggage, or outdoor accessories, everything has its place. On the side, you'll find an extendable awning that transforms your outdoor experience completely. Imagine parking by a scenic lake, opening that awning, placing a couple of chairs underneath, and simply relaxing as the sun sets. It turns every stop into a memorable moment. As we step inside, the Rimor Seal 5 immediately welcomes you with a bright and open atmosphere. Large windows allow natural light to flow in from every angle, making the interior feel spacious and inviting. The color palette is carefully chosen, with soft tones and light wood finishes, creating a warm and relaxing environment that feels more like a small apartment than a vehicle. There is a sense of calmness here that makes you want to slow down and enjoy the journey. The main living area is designed to be both comfortable and practical. The seating arrangement includes a well-cushioned dinette that is perfect for relaxing, dining, or even working while on the road. The seats feel supportive, making long hours inside the motorhome enjoyable rather than tiring. The table is adjustable, allowing you to easily convert this space into an additional sleeping area when needed. This flexibility is one of the key strengths of the Rimor Seal 5, as it adapts to your needs throughout the day.
Moving toward the kitchen, you will find a compact yet highly functional setup. It's designed to give you everything you need without taking up too much space. There's a gas stove for cooking, a sink for cleaning, and a refrigerator that is large enough to store your essentials for several days. The cabinets and storage areas are well organized, allowing you to keep everything in order even during long trips. Cooking here feels convenient and natural, whether you're preparing a quick breakfast in the morning or a proper meal after a day of exploring. Moving toward the kitchen, you will find a compact yet highly functional setup. It's designed to give you everything you need without taking up too much space. There's a gas stove for cooking, a sink for cleaning, and a refrigerator that is large enough to store your essentials for several days. The cabinets and storage areas are well organized, allowing you to keep everything in order, even during long trips. Cooking here feels convenient and natural, whether you're preparing a quick breakfast in the morning or a proper meal after a day of exploring. What makes these sleeping areas special is not just the comfort, but the sense of privacy and calm they provide. Soft lighting, clever storage solutions, and thoughtful design elements create an environment where you can unwind completely. It does not feel like you are inside a vehicle. It feels like a personal retreat on wheels. The bathroom in the Rimor Seal is another example of smart design. While it is compact, it includes everything you need for daily use. There is a toilet, a sink, and a shower area, all arranged in a way that maximizes space without compromising comfort. Having a fully functional bathroom inside your motorhome adds a level of convenience that changes the entire travel experience. You no longer have to rely on external facilities, giving you complete independence wherever you go.
Under the hood, the Rimor Seal 5 is built on a reliable platform, typically powered by a diesel engine that offers a good balance between performance and efficiency. It is not designed for speed, but for smooth and steady travel. The engine delivers enough power to handle highways, long-distance journeys, and even hilly terrains without any struggle. Fuel efficiency is quite reasonable for a motorhome of this size, making it a practical choice for those who love extended road trips. Driving the Rimor Seal 5 feels more comfortable than you might expect. The steering is responsive, and the large windshield provides excellent visibility of the road ahead. The mirrors are well positioned, helping you stay aware of your surroundings at all times. Even if you are new to motorhomes, this one feels approachable and easy to handle. It gives you confidence behind the wheel, which is very important when you are traveling long distances. Safety has also been taken seriously in this motorhome. It comes equipped with essential features such as airbags, anti-lock braking systems, and stability control. These features work together to ensure a safe and stable driving experience in different conditions. Whether you are driving through busy city roads or exploring remote countryside areas, you can feel secure knowing that the motorhome is designed to protect you. One of the biggest strengths of the Rimor Seal 5 is its balance. It does not try to compete with ultra-luxury motorhomes that come with extremely high price tags. Instead, it focuses on delivering what truly matters to travelers. Comfort, practicality, and reliability are at the core of its design. This makes it an excellent option for people who want to enjoy the motorhome lifestyle without overspending. Compared to other motorhomes in its category, the Rimor Seal 5 offers a very smart layout. Some models may offer more luxury finishes, but they often sacrifice space efficiency. Others may provide larger interiors, but lack the thoughtful design that makes daily use convenient. The Rimor Seal 5 finds the perfect middle ground, offering a well-rounded experience that works in real life, not just on paper. Another thing that stands out is its versatility. This motorhome is suitable for weekend getaways, long road trips, and even extended living. It adapts to different travel styles, making it a reliable companion for all kinds of adventures. You can take it to the mountains, the beach, or even across countries, and it will always provide the comfort of home.
Now imagine this for a moment. You wake up in a new location every day, surrounded by nature or a beautiful city view. You have everything you need with you, from your kitchen to your bedroom. There are no hotel bookings, no fixed schedules, just pure freedom to explore. Would you choose a motorhome like the Rimor Seal 5 for that kind of lifestyle? Let me know in the comments where you would take it first and what feature you love the most. As we come to the end of this journey, it is clear that the Rimor Seal 5 is more than just a vehicle. It represents a way of living that is focused on freedom, comfort, and discovery. It may not be the most luxurious motorhome on the market, but it offers something that is just as valuable. It gives you the ability to travel on your own terms while still enjoying the comforts of home. With its modern design, well-planned interior, reliable performance, and practical features, it creates an experience that feels both exciting and relaxing at the same time. Whether you are traveling alone, with your partner, or with your family, the Rimor Seal 5 ensures that every journey becomes a memorable adventure. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Autocar Zone. Share your thoughts below and tell us what motorhome you would like to see next. Until next time, keep exploring, keep traveling, and keep chasing the road ahead.